All right, good morning. So yesterday we worked on factoring some binomials by taking out the greatest common factor. Today we're going to be working on factoring out trinomials. It's the exact same process. It just adds another number, and then we also have to make sure and look for the proper implementation of our operation sign. So let's get started. 2x squared plus 4x plus 6. As we stated, right now I'm giving you the GCF, which is going to be the A value, which is going to be a 2. I'm going to bring down that 2, put it on the outside of my parentheses. 2x squared divided by 2, these guys are going to cancel out, so I'm left with just an x squared. 4x divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, that becomes a 2, and that's a positive. I've got to bring down that x, mind you. Here's a positive. 6 divided by 2 gives me 3. On my next one, 5x squared plus 5x plus 25. I'm actually going to go ahead here. I'm going to make this into a negative just to make sure that we're practicing more of those signs there. So again, I'm going to factor out by the A value, which is going to be a 5. I bring down that 5. 5x squared divided by 5. 5 divided by 5, that's 1. So I can even put a 1x squared right there if you want to. Positive. A 15 divided by 5, that goes in 3 times. I bring down my x. I've got a negative here. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Okay, I've got to make sure I've got 3 terms. All of them are different values. X squared, x to the first, and this is my constant. X squared, x to the first, and my constant. All right, one more here. So 3x squared minus 6x plus 12. I factor out by my GCF. I bring this guy down here. 3x squared divided by 3. How many times does 3 go to 3? That's a once. I bring down my x squared. Hey, remember again, my friends, that a 1x squared and an x squared are still the exact same thing. Minus 6 divided by 3. 3 goes into 6 2 times. I bring down my x plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. I've got my 3 terms. X squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, let's just try one more. Okay. Oh, let's go with 6x squared plus 6x minus 18. All right, now again, I'm going to go ahead and divide out by this is A value, which is going to be 6. I bring this over, 6 on the outside. 6x squared divided by 6 is going to give me these guys. This is just an x squared. Positive. 6 divided by 6 is 1. I bring down my x. And you can keep the 1x and just the x. It means the exact same thing. Minus 18 divided by 6 is going to give me 3. I've got my 3 terms. X squared, x to the first. And this is my constant. Okay, now I've got a Google quiz for you guys here. I've only got 6 questions on this quiz. However, my friends, I did make it to be where I've got some answers that are going to be pretty close. I want you guys to make sure you look for the proper operation sign. I might have one answer that looks like maybe this one here is going to be like that, to make sure you guys have them in the right place. Okay, I might even have one where I switch my signs up. Okay, so I want you guys to really make sure you know what you're looking at. All right, hey, have a great day, and hopefully we'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye-bye.